self-love and acceptance. Welcome to this meditation. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Gently close your eyes and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Allow yourself to relax fully into this moment. There is nothing you need to do right now except be here. Take another deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And as you exhale, let go of any tension in your body. Let your shoulders drop and your muscles soften. With each breath, you're becoming more and more present, more grounded, more at peace. Now, bring your attention inward. Feel the rise and fall of your chest as you breathe, the steady rhythm of your heart. This rhythm reminds you that you are alive, that you are enough just as you are. In this moment, give yourself permission to let go of any harsh judgments or negative thoughts about yourself. These thoughts do not define you. Imagine them as clouds passing by, drifting out of your mind and dissolving into the sky. They hold no power over you. As you continue to breathe, turn your attention to your heart. Visualize a warm, glowing light there. This light is the essence of your true self, pure, loving, and radiant. Feel its warmth spread through your chest, filling your whole body with love and compassion. Allow this light to grow brighter with every breath. As it expands, it fills every part of you, your mind, your body, your spirit. This is the light of self-love, the light of acceptance, and it is always within you. Say these affirmations, either aloud or in your mind, and let each one sink deeply into your heart. I love and accept myself completely. I am worthy of love and respect. I embrace my imperfections. They make me unique. I forgive myself for past mistakes and allow myself to move forward with love. I am enough, just as I am. Feel the power of these words resonating within you. As you repeat them, your light grows even stronger, shining brighter than ever before. Now, take a moment to think of something you appreciate about yourself. It could be a quality you love, a talent you have, or simply the fact that you are here right now, taking time for yourself. Hold that thought in your mind and let it fill you with gratitude. Know that self-love is not selfish. It is the foundation of everything good in your life. When you love yourself, you are able to love others more deeply. When you accept yourself, you move through the world with confidence and peace. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale, feel this love radiating from your heart. Let it expand beyond you, filling the space around you, touching everything and everyone you encounter. This love is limitless, infinite. With every breath, you are becoming more aligned with your true self, with your inner light. You are enough. You are worthy. You are love. Now, slowly bring your awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, allowing yourself to feel grounded and present. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this sense of self-love and acceptance with you for the rest of your day. Remember, you are amazing just as you are. There is nothing you need to change, nothing you need to prove. You are enough.